So hello and welcome to today's class. We are doing series of reaction mechanism, and in today's video we'll see how alcohols behave as nucleophiles and electrophiles, right? So first we'll see when alcohols act as nucleophiles. Okay, so alcohols as nucleophiles, right? So alcohols as nucleophiles. Okay, now suppose we have alcohol, we will see the general reaction. Okay, so we have alcohol, this will be acting as nucleophile, right? And we have a carbocation. Okay, so this is a carbocation, carbon with a positive charge. This carbocation is acting as an electrophile, it is electron deficient, right? So electrophile, right? Now as this is electron deficient, so it will coordinate with the lone pair of electron present on oxygen atom, right? So oxygen will share its electron pair with this carbon, and as a result you get an intermediate which is ROH C. Okay, now since this O is giving its one electron to this carbon, so this positive charge of carbon is removed, and since O is giving an electron, so O will get a positive charge. So what you got here? Oxonium ion, right? Now once oxygen gets a positive charge, so its electronegativity increases, it will pull the electron of hydrogen, hydrogen will come out as H plus ion, and as a result we get ROC, okay, and this will come out as H plus, right? Now one thing you have to see here, that when alcohol is acting as a nucleophile, you see here there is no hydrogen, right? So that means when alcohol is acting as a nucleophile, the bond between O and H is broken. Okay, so when alcohol act as a nucleophile, the bond between O and H, okay, this bond is broken, right? Now we will see when protonated alcohols act as electrophiles. Okay, so protonated alcohols as an electrophile, right? So we have a molecule of alcohol RCH2OH, right? It combines with a proton, so what we get? RCH2OH and a positive charge over oxygen, right? So what is this? This is protonated alcohol. So this is protonated alcohol, right? And it is oxonium ion, right? Now see, when this protonated alcohol, you can see here it is acting as an electrophile also, right? So when this protonated alcohol comes in contact with a nucleophile, okay, suppose we have a nucleophile as Br minus, so nucleophile, right, when this comes in environment of RCH2OHH and here positive, right. So what happens, this bond between C and O is broken in the direction of O. Carbon gets a positive charge. Once carbon gets a positive charge, so this Br minus attacks this positive center, right. So you will get the product as RCH2 and here Br, right, plus H2O, okay. I will write here the intermediate what we are getting here. See, here you will get RCH and here you will get a positive charge, right. So this Br minus attacks this positive charge and you get alkyl bromide, okay, right. So as you can see here that when protonated alcohols are acting as electrophiles, okay, so what is happening, the bond between C and O is broken, right. So keep in mind that whenever protonated alcohols behave as electrophiles, this bond between C and O is cleaved, okay. So when protonated alcohols act as an electrophile, then bond between C and O is broken, right. So I hope you have understood the mechanism of these two reactions. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section without any hesitation and I'll clear all your doubts. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos.